What is the process for transferring tickets on Ticketmaster?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of transferring tickets on Ticketmaster. This is an invaluable tool if you're unable to attend an event and want to send your tickets to someone else. So, let's dive right in.
When can you transfer tickets?
Not all tickets purchased from Ticketmaster are transferable. It is dependent on the event and the specific policies set by the venue or the event organizer. To check if your tickets are transferable, sign into your Ticketmaster account and visit the event details.
Accessing your Ticketmaster account.
The first step in the process is to log in to your Ticketmaster account. You can do this either from their website or via their mobile app. Make sure you're logged in to the account from which you purchased the tickets you wish to transfer.
Navigating to your tickets.
Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to your tickets. To do this, go to your account and click on My Tickets. Here, you'll see a list of all the tickets you have purchased.
Selecting tickets to transfer.
Next, you need to select the tickets you wish to transfer. Find the event for which you want to transfer tickets, and then click on it. This should open up a detailed view of your tickets for that particular event. Look for the Transfer Tickets button and click on it. Note that if you don't see this button, it likely means that your tickets are not transferable.
Transferring your tickets.
After clicking on Transfer Tickets, you'll be prompted to select the tickets you wish to transfer. Once you've selected them, you will be asked to input the recipient's information. This typically involves entering their name and email address. After inputting this information, click on the Transfer Tickets button.
Confirmation of transfer.
You'll receive a confirmation message that your tickets have been transferred. The recipient will also get an email with instructions on how to accept the tickets. They will need to sign in to or create a Ticketmaster account to accept the tickets. That's all there is to it. Transferring your Ticketmaster tickets is a straightforward process and a great way to ensure your tickets don't go to waste if you're unable to attend an event. Remember, not all tickets may be eligible for transfer. If you have any trouble or your tickets don't seem to be transferable, you should reach out to Ticketmaster customer service for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.